Hello everyone, The controversial daughter of the former President Jacob Zuma has been nothing but a pain in the button for the current president Cyril Ramaphosa. Ever since Ramaphosa reigned in power, Duduzile has been throwing jabs to the president. She recently retweeted one of Cyril's tweets where he's talking about the late legend Steve Biko. Ramaphosa tweeted, "In considering the relevance of Steve Biko's life and legacy, we call his powerful call to the people to be architects of their own liberation. This call is as important now as it was back then." Then we see you replied and tweeted, "When are you resigning? You are disgusting to even utter our hero, Steve Biko's name. You sold out during the struggle by saying comrades brainwashed you. You are selling out now." Some tweets agreed with her and others didn't agree with her. One reminded her about her dad during his term. One tweet wrote, "Really? Your dad never resigned after many allegations leveled against him, after numerous votes of no confidence against him, after numerous court judgments against, and many more, and after he sold us to the Guptas for a plate of curry. Who is the sellout, I ask you?" Well, do you agree with Duduzile Zuma? Do you want Mr. Buffalo gone as in yesterday? Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.